Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make toffee at home with paper. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and a small pinch of salt. Also, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This simple step ensures your delicious toffee won't stick, making cleanup a breeze. A candy thermometer is crucial for perfect results. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and the pinch of salt. Stir this mixture constantly over medium heat until all the sugar has fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it cook. Watch your candy thermometer closely. We're aiming for a precise temperature of 295 degrees Fahrenheit for that perfect toffee consistency. Once your toffee reaches 295 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately and carefully pour the hot mixture onto your prepared baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Use an offset spatula or the back of a spoon to quickly spread the toffee evenly, aiming for about 1/4 inch thickness. Now, the hardest part: patience. Let the toffee cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour, or until it's firm and brittle. Your delicious homemade toffee is now ready. Once it's completely cooled and hardened, simply break it into smaller, bite-sized pieces. You can gently tap it with a small hammer or the back of a heavy spoon. This is often the most satisfying part. For optimal freshness, store your beautiful toffee in an airtight container at room temperature. It will stay wonderfully crisp and delicious for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.